To disable fingerprint unlock feature on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Under additional security settings section, tap biometric. Tap fingerprints. Enter your current screen lock. Since this phone is using button, then draw the button. Next, tap the blue on off switch next to fingerprint unlock until the switch turns green to turn it off. By disabling the fingerprint unlock, now you cannot unlock your phone with fingerprints. In other words, you need to enter your main screen lock such as PIN, pattern, or password to unlock your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.